So if I press the skip button, will I just skip him ahead? And will he get like triggered? Manifesto? I don't care. Click.
Well, there's sport. It's
Break. Breaking the fourth wall.
I want to say maybe
40 minutes. Bye bye.
Stanley.
Oh, he's getting increasingly triggered.
Push the button again. It's been 12 hours.
Skip.
Oh, Stanley.
What happened?
I think it's been a week. One single
Skip.
thing. Oh, hello. It's you. You're here again. Welcome. I have had time to think about you and about us and about everything.
Skip.
we've been-
Became sick. Hello? Narrator? Narrator? Hello? What if I skip again? Will he come back? Ow, my ear. The clock has fallen down. I guess it got too dusty. Skip again.
But they didn't understand the game was never meant to be funny. It was meant to have a point.
Damn.
Unwillingness
This
to
hits
examine
deep.
with an
Tell
uncompromising
me more.
heart.
Psych? Oh, now he's gone. What is behind this one? Ladder. Thanks. Okay, interesting. Skip.
The end is never the end, 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 is never the end.
This is becoming increasingly worrying. It sounds like some tribal man from the mountains. Okay, there is more water dripping now. Am I gonna drown? Yeah, yeet. I think he has proven his point with that skip buttons are not that good. Am I gonna die next time I press it? Narrator went mad. Yeah, and Andreas, you could say that. Click! Oh! Heaven! Skip. Damn! Like, I'm happy to see the green stuff, but I'm kinda sad because this symbolizes the narrator basically dying. Skip. Oh, now it's dark again. This is becoming increasingly more spooky. I'm happy this is not a horror game. Skip. Did you hear the screaming sound? Skip. Oh. Freedom? Is this what I think it is? I don't understand. I thought it was like a kid stand. Oh, it's a chair in the corner. Horror chair. Okay, let's see what freedom looks like. Let's break out. Oh, this is like the, you know, Captain Jack Sparrow scene. Oh, have you guys seen Dune, the movie? Welcome to Tatooine, yes, Andreas. Please subscribe.